Points and miles beginners always ask us one question. Hey, what's the first credit card I should get? The Chase Sapphire Preferred! The answer is always the same. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great card for beginners. First, you're going to start off with a big sign-up bonus, 50,000 bonus points after you spend just $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's $625 worth of free travel. You're also going to be able to earn a lot of points just from using the card. That's because you get 2 points for every dollar you spend on both travel and dining. And Chase considers a lot of things travel and dining. Airlines, hotels, cruises, ride shares, transit, subways, parking lots, restaurants, takeout, fast food, coffee houses, bars, delivery service. Then when you go to redeem your points, you can really clean up. That's because you can transfer your points to any of over a dozen Chase airline and hotel partners. That means you can get really maximum value for your points. Maximum value! You can also use your Chase Ultimate Rewards points at the Chase Travel Portal. And when you do it that way, you'll get 1.25 cents per point guaranteed without having to worry about blackout dates and award availability. Finally, the best thing about the Chase Sapphire Preferred is its cost. You'll pay no annual fee in the first year, and it's only $95 per year after that. So it's not a card that you're going to have to spend a lot of cash on. If all that sounds interesting to you and you're thinking, hey, I could do that and maybe even a little more, you might even look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred's big brother, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Sapphire Reserve's more expensive, but it comes with more perks and more points. So if you want to learn more about the difference between the Preferred and the Reserve, or about any travel rewards credit cards, check us out at The Points Guy and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.